Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I put my hair into a protective style. This is a natural hair braids and I'll just be showing you how to achieve it in easy steps. Let's get right into it. Before this video, I had washed my hair and placed in a bantu twist in order to reduce shrinkage. Why you would actually not go wrong, never go wrong with a natural hair braids is that it helps you to minimize breakage by reducing manipulation and harsh handling of your hair. It helps you to lock in moisture, it helps to reduce dryness and brittleness. It minimizes tangling, because your hair is organized and detangled, and it makes it easier for you to manage. It helps to protect your hair from environmental stresses such as harsh weather and sun damage. It promotes your hair growth also because you're minimizing breakage, you're minimizing manipulation, and your hair just keeps growing. And it is actually a good low maintenance hairstyle for any naturalista. Also, I use this natural hair braiding technique to actually pre-stretch my hair prior to a styling. Either I want to put my hair into another styling, like probably a cornrow or a ponytail or whatever. I use this natural hair braiding method to pre-stretch my hair. I make the style and I leave it for a number of days, like 3 days to 2 days, and by the time I'll be taking it down, my hair will be all stretched out and it will make it easy for me to style. This braiding style is actually my go-to as I make the style as often as possible, and it's just for me to keep my hair protected, as I said earlier. And most times I take it out, I rock it out just this way, styling it in different ways. As you can style this braiding into different ways if you're a classy like me, and you don't mind carrying this style out, though it will be styled. So this is one convenient relative styling for everybody. Upper hand technique of braiding my own hair. I use 2 different methods. I'll be showing another method in a video that I'll be adding the link to the description box. This is just one of the easy way that I braid my hair. It can be a little bit draining actually, but it's one of the ways. If you want to start out braiding your own hair, this is how you can achieve braiding your own hair. And if you're a beginner at braiding, that you don't know how to braid at all, I have a video that shows you how to braid, and that will actually take you as a foundation before you get into the style, because you might not be able to get this if you do not know how to braid at all. But if you're a quick learner, definitely you'll be able to pick up what I am doing from this video. It is just simple braiding on my own hair. That is just the difference, that I'm braiding on my own hair. Okay, so as I said, I'd advise you go watch the video that I have, that is how to braid beginner friendly, before you actually get to this place, if you do not know how to braid, just so you can understand my hand movements. The direction you want your hair to lay to is how you will turn your hair. If you want it to lay to the side, you braid to the side. If you want it to lay to the back, you braid to the back. Else you might struggle with styling your hair if you do not braid to the right direction. Style. Okay, so just in case you find this video chaotic in a little way, this is one of those days that I didn't feel like actually touching my hair at all, so I struggled a little bit with it. I don't know if you feel that way too, but sometimes I do not feel like touching my hair and I struggle during those periods. And the other times that I just enjoy the process and I'm swimming in the styling process. But my guy, I am not swimming. I'm literally struggling. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but please just enjoy the video, and I hope you actually get what I'm trying to show you, which is how to conveniently move your hand around your head when you are braiding. And to achieve a braiding style is how you can easily move your hand around your head to achieve a braiding style. If you are able to do this braiding style by yourself, trust me, you can do any style. If you're able to use this technique, yes, trust me, you can use you can braid your hair as a cornrow. If you're able to get this hand movement, you'll be able to do cornrow by yourself, and you'll be able to do much and bigger braids, or braids where you had extension. So I mentioned that wherever you want your hair to fall to, the direction you want it to fall to, that is where you should braid towards. So if you want your hair, if you want to pull everything backwards, then you should braid backwards. But because I want my braids to fall to the sides, so whenever I'm styling, because of the way that I like to style my hair, I prefer that it fall to the side, and that is why you would see my hand bending so much towards the side. But if that is not what you want, you can just place your hands directly on your head towards facing the back. Yes, like facing backwards. Yes, so you braid backwards or sideways, either way that you want it to be. If you braid to the back and you later want it to drop to the side, that may not be achievable until probably when your braid starts wearing out, when you start to have those new roots under it. Without that, your braid that is braided towards the back will never fall to the side, except you really manipulate it. So, and I'm sure you don't want to do that. So that's why I'm actually saying you braid to the direction you want your hair to fall to. Just in case you want your hair to flow down this way, you should braid to the direction that you want it to fall to. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've learned one or two things from this video and it has really been helpful to you. If it has, kindly like this video in order to help me gain more visibility. And if you've not subscribed to my channel and you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, kindly subscribe to my channel. Also do well to show my video to people around you that they would love to see it. Okay. And this is the final look at the end of my braiding process. And also, I always do one thing at the end of this process. I always like to put my hair locked together. I love to protect my hair completely, so I don't like to keep the ends of my hair. I don't like to expose them in order to avoid split ends at the tip of my hair. They keep knotting together or tying up together, and that can actually cause breakage from the tip of my hair. So I always love to wrap my hair together, the ends of my hair together, so as to reduce breakage or me even pulling them. Sometimes I enjoy doing that, and it's just a way of avoiding that. I hope you've enjoyed this video once again. Thank you for watching. Bye. Love you. Bye.